AI-generated images are trending right now. But there is one catch. Most of the good image generation websites like Midjourney, Playground AI, and Night Cafe are paid. You have to buy the subscription to use this. So, after watching this video, you can easily generate unlimited number of images in less than 3 minutes with latest Stable Diffusion models. Fasten your seatbelts and get ready to dive into the world of image generation. For this I am going to use Google Colab. I provide this link in my description. Copy the link and paste it to your browser. After pasting, your interface looks like this. First, ensure that you are using GPU in Colab. To check this, go to Runtime. Then click on Change Runtime Type. And ensure that T for GPU is ticked. Now, we have to connect our Google Drive to this, so that our model will download to our drive. There is one point to note that your drive should have at least 9 GB of free space. If you don't have enough space, you can create another account. Afterwards, click on this icon to run the code. Click on Run Anyway. Click on Connect to Google Drive. Now, choose your Google account where you want to download your model. Last, click on Allow. Once it is done, let's go to our second code. This code will download the automatic 1111 GitHub repository, where we have Stable Diffusion Web UI. Click to run the code. Afterwards, head towards our third code. We have to download some requirement for our Stable Diffusion. Click to install the requirement, and it will start installing some libraries for Stable Diffusion. Now comes to our most important part. Here we have to install our models. On the model version, we have some default models. Here you can choose any model from different options. On the screen you can see the images generated from different models. If you don't want to use any models of them, we have 2 more options down there. First, we have a path to models. Means that if you have any model which is downloaded or present in your Google Drive, you can simply insert the path here and run the model. To download the different models, we have a website named Civic AI. Here you can get many free models of various categories. Just click on any one of them and download the model. Next one is our model link. Here you have to insert the link of the model. For this, you can go to Hugging Face. Here you get many different models of Stable Diffusion. Just copy the link and paste it. In future, I will show you how to use these 2 options. But currently I am going with default model. Here you can see our model is downloading.
1 eternity later.
And now it is done. If you go to your Google Drive, you can see your model file and the space it is used. Now we go to our next code. So LoRa is used to fine-tuning the image which we insert into the models. Means it is only useful when you're training the model. In this case we don't need to install them and we skip it. Now next is our ControlNet. ControlNet is a neural network structure, which is used to control our diffusion models by adding some conditioning. Let me explain this, since we have an input which we give to our model. With the help of input it will generate the output. Using ControlNet, actually we are giving an additional input to our model. With the help of additional conditioning, model will generate different image from same input. Like you may have seen some AI generated images look like cartoon, anime, sketch, painting and many more. You can choose any one of them. I am going with the Canny model. Let me run this code. Once it is installed, heads towards our last code. It is the last step. If you have your Gradio user and password you can use this. Otherwise just run the code. It may take some seconds.
12 seconds later.
Once it is connected, you can see a public URL. Click on the link and it will open a Stable Diffusion web UI in your browser. The interface looks like this. Here you can see your model. If you downloaded multiple models, it will shows you all the models here. Below we have different options like text to image, image to image, extras, and many more options. On the generation menu, for better result, change the sampling step to 30 and select DPM to mcaras. From here you can change the size of the image like portrait and landscape. This is our prompt area where we can write what type of image we want to generate. For example, I write, generate an image of an Apple iPhone 15. In the negative prompt, write what type of qualities you don't want in an image. Click on Generate to generate the image. I know this looks very bad, but I am using the very old model. Below you get many options like saving the image and many more. Let's generate some other images. It looks better than previous one. On image to image section, you just have to upload the image and write the prompt to modify the image. So, this is Simplify Me. Hope you liked today's video. And for more interesting content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe this channel.